Okay, so we are looking at the website detoxificationforthebody.com, and let's analyze what are the best placements of AdSense blogs on this blog kind of website to get the maximum click-through rate. Now there are three critical elements which defines the total click-through rate you'll be getting for AdSense blogs. Those are the size of the banner ads or the text ads you're using. That's the number one. Number two is the colors you're using for the text ads. And number three is the placement of these ads on your website or on your blog. So, as most of the traffic will come to your inner pages like these, like I have just visited one of your pages, natural and alternative therapies to aid you in breast cancer recovery journey. So, let's analyze this particular page and find out what are the best placements, best colors, and best banner sizes which you can place on this particular page. Now, based on proven statistics, it's suggested that you should use only three kind of banner ads which get maximum click through across the industry. So I'll suggest you to stick to only these three sizes. These are 300 by 250, 728 by 90, which is also called leaderboard, and then 160 by 600 only if your layout allows it. But for your case, I believe the 728 by 90, which is leaderboard size, and 300 by 250, which is a medium rectangle size, are the best two fits which you should stick to. Now, the first position where I'll recommend you to put your ad block is just below your title over here. So you can see we are having the title here. Just below that, where you're saying by the name and the dates and everything. Remove all these things from here. Just below this, you can put one ad block of 300 by 250 size. Now this ad block you can play with two different kind of things. One, when you're running it first time, allow both image and text ads here, and over the period of 7 days, 10 days, you can see that which is getting maximum click-through rates, and then you can switch to one of those. So if you're getting more click-through rate for images, then stick to images for this ad block. If you're getting more click-throughs for text ads here, stick to text ads over here. But you can just apply one ad block over here just below the page title of the size 300 by 250. Next we'll scroll down. The second best position that for your case is over here, just where the article ends and just above the references. So as you can see, when the article ends, people tend to look for more relevant content. And if you put an AdSense block here, now you can put a 728 by 90, which will be of almost similar this much size for you. You can put a 728 by 90 sized ad block here, but make sure this is not image based, make it text based, because at the end of the article, at the end of the content, people look for more content, more relevant content, and luckily the AdSense block will pull relevant content for this web page. So having text based ads is always beneficial, and you'll get maximum click through from this 728 by 90 ad block from here. So these are the two positions I'll recommend. Other than that, you can place one in the sidebar, which will get you the least click-through rates. But what you can do is, let's say this is the place where you are listing all different products that you have. Below that, you can create similar on another block like this only. You have to just have a div tag or whatever you're using to create this. Create a similar blog just below new products. And then you can name it as sponsored products, and place an ad block below this and make it a text-based ad block. So you'll be getting all kind of links, 4 or 5 links here, and in the top it will be written sponsored products, and these all will have the exact same color coding as you are using over here. So create an ad block, text-based ad block, just below this new product blog. And for the colors, use the exact same text font and text color for this text block, and that should get you maximum click-through rate. You can even try playing with the placement of this block. You can just move it above new product, or you can move it below new product and see which one is getting you maximum click-through rate. In terms of the color coding for this one, as I suggested, for this ad block here, you can use the same blue color link structure and blue color text, and use the exact same font, and use the same greenish background for the div block, and use sponsored product as the heading. For this text block, which I recommended 728 by 90 size, here what you can do is there are two things. One is the text, the color of the text and the color of the link. So for this ad block, use this color. This I think is a brown color or coffee color that you can use for the text part of the ad, and use the exact same blue color and same font. You can even change the fonts when you're creating an ad block. So use the exact same font and exactly same blue color for the links of your website. So that should do. So that is in terms of playing with the text colors and the font. So make sure wherever the ad is positioned or placed, for that text block, the copy, the font, the color, everything looks very much similar to other content of yours, just it's a bit brighter. So when you're using a brownish shade for your ad block, make it a bit bold, make it a bit more brighter than this one, so that it stands out compared to this one. So these are the only 3 placements. You cannot use more than 3 placements in one page, so just stick to these 3. One just below the title, one at the end of the content, and one over here. So that should be good enough for you to get the maximum click-through and the maximum revenue. There is another kind of ad blocks that you can use that is more like site link structure. So just below this navigation structure, you can place another block here, like this over here. These will not be the text blocks or banner ad blocks. There is something called site links. So there will be links coming over here, and someone clicks on that link, it takes the user to a Google search result page, and when someone clicks on one of the results, then only get the revenue. So just by clicking on these, you won't get the revenue. But if you want to add another 4th layer, you can add that block over here just below your navigation structure. I generally don't recommend it unless your site is completely focused on AdSense revenue. If you are completely focusing on AdSense revenue, it's good to have that block here, site link kind of block over here. But if you're also trying to sell some other affiliate products and other stuff, or you're trying to get some newsletter subscription, then I'll suggest you to avoid this block from here. That's it for you. I think you can just stick to these 3 main placements and one optional placement over here, and that should give you the maximum click-through rate and maximum revenue from your blog. If you have any other query, you can just let us know. I would be glad to help you personally to find out other good areas of improvement for you. Thank you.